How to start an online business. Back in the day, only the privileged few could start their own business. Starting capital has to be significant while outside funding was scarce unless you had a commerce savvy family. Granted, in 2021, that's no longer the case. Today, anyone can start and scale an online business regardless of their professional background or past entrepreneurial experience. Yet, while the entry barrier got lower, it's not fully gone either. You still need to come up with a viable product idea, figure out your sourcing or manufacturing strategy, and then your sales model. But all of the above should not discourage you from starting an online business. Reasons why you should start an online business. You may be wondering why start an online business in the first place. Why not go with a brick and mortar one instead? Because starting an online business has several advantages. Here are three main ones. It's fairly inexpensive to start. A lot want to start a business but are deterred by the investment required to get it off the ground. You have to pay for a lease, purchase inventory, and budget for employee salaries. What if you invest all that money in your business but it doesn't work out? This can ruin you financially. However, with an online business, all you need is computer, domain name, website builder. In other words, it's feasible to launch an online business with $100 as a starting capital. Of course, the more starting money you have, the more online business ideas you can pursue. But the point is that you don't need to risk your life savings to become a successful online entrepreneur. The second one is major potential and growth. When you have a brick and mortar business, you have to deal with the limitations of real world. Renting in prime location is expensive. There may not be enough foot traffic some days, and the local crowd does not need stuff all the time. But guess what? When you run an online business, none of these limitations apply. You can sell to anyone no matter where they live. And with each passing year, your pool of potential customers expands because more people are getting comfortable with the idea of online shopping. Then it can run 24/7. Another advantage of online businesses have over brick and mortar business is that they can stay open 24/7 even through lockdowns and other disruptions. Once your online business website is online, you're always on to make a sale. Shoppers can order from you at any time. Since you don't need to be physically present to make a sale, your business can generate revenue with less day-to-day involvement. With so many business opportunities and tons of ultimate guides out there, it can be difficult to decide which one to pursue. Let's understand because you also don't want to risk too much. We have done some research for you and narrowed it all down to just five online business ideas. So, first of all, start an e commerce store. E-commerce has been around for nearly 4 decades, but there was never a better time to launch an online store than now. According to the Future of Retail 2019 report, a third of US consumers, 32%, now receive one or more Amazon packages per week. Meanwhile, 10% of consumers receive three or more Amazon packages per week. It's probably safe to say that the reliance on Amazon also leads to people feeling more comfortable with online shopping in general. According to the same report, 46% of consumers say that they're more open to purchasing a big ticket item like a car or a grill online than they were a year ago. Once you have decided on your product categories, select an e-commerce platform like the BigCommerce, Magneto, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. To set up your online store and start driving traffic to it. Alternatively, you can start selling on online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, etc. While e-commerce has all three online business advantages that we discussed earlier, you should keep in mind that online commerce profit margins can be thin for some type of products. Get into drop shipping. Drop shipping is an online fulfillment method that allows you to sell physical goods without keeping inventory yourself. Here is how it works. The customer orders a product on your e-commerce website. You forward the order to the manufacturer. The manufacturer then ships the product directly to the customer. Then become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is worth considering if you want to start an online business but aren't interested in creating your own product. It's a popular way to make money online. How it works: first, sign up for an affiliate program, then select someone else's product to promote to your audience. This can be any digital product like an ebook, an online course, an app, etc., or physical goods. You then get a paid you then get paid a commission for each sale generated through your referral link. Then offer web design services. You can learn the basics of web design through e-learning platforms and experimentation. Then create a portfolio website to start attracting clients, or register with a freelance marketplace such as Upwork or 99 Design. By the way, you don't have to be a full-time freelancer, but do web design as a side hustle. Then create a noteworthy blog. Do you have a knack for writing? Then blogging might be an online business idea worth considering. While having a blog is not a business model in and of itself, it allows you to build an audience. Once you have an audience, you can sell your own products or services, promote affiliate products, run sponsored campaigns with brands, etc. Popular blogs also get speaking gigs and book details. So that's all. Thank you so much.